Okay, we're going to do a visualization using the query builder with metabase. Um, we're going to first take a look at the data that we have that we're going to work with. There's this small table here, or model in this case. This is what metabase calls it, and it has a key value combination that um, that shows the relationship of the number of bags per thousand for that airline. And then this other piece of data, which is called the US flight data set. And that's going to have like arrivals and departures of different airlines and the schedules and the wheels off and wheels on and taxi in and all that kind of stuff. So that's what we're going to work with. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new question, and we're going to start with our um, US flight data set, and we're going to join that to luggage losers, and we are going to connect those two from this carrier column from the US flight data set to the airline column in the luggage losers data set. So now those are joined. We want to make sure that we're only looking at flights that have not been canceled. So we're going to add that filter, and then we are going to summarize with a count of rows that include the average of from luggage losers, the average luggage loss rate, and then from there we are going to add a count. Oh, we need to pick a column to group by, and this is going to be on carrier. And from here we're going to add a sort, and we want to sort by the count itself. And that is done, I think. You can continue to summarize and add more. You can get into getting into halving and stuff like that, but we're gonna just do a visualize from here. So now that we've visualized, I think we want the reverse sort. So let's go back to that and make this descending, and then look at the visualization. That's better. Okay, so we've got the carrier with the most flights seems to have very low, comparatively speaking, lost luggage. And let's see which one has the overall worst lost luggage versus the number of flights. It's probably somewhere between Envoy Air and Virgin America have some pretty crappy loss of baggage in this case. So we've mapped the carriers by ordered the carriers by the number of flights, and then we just attached the baggage loss to each carrier. And I can't quite tell which is worse, Envoy Air or Virgin America, based on the ratio of flights and loss of baggage. And that's pretty much how this all works. And we can put this, let's see, we want to save this. Let's put it on this dashboard and save it to the dashboard. Save it to the dashboard. And then we can make it bigger. And we can add more dashboards to more data to these dashboards as you build up a story of what's going on with the data. And that's it.